Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have Sena's Cavalry 2 half helmet for motorcycling. The Cavalry 2 is Sena's DOT certified motorcycle half helmet with integrated speakers, microphone, and communication system. Let's get inside this box and see what it comes with. All right, so what do you get in the box with the Cavalry 2? First of all, you get this really nice soft helmet bag. There's the helmet itself. You can see it comes ready to ride right out of the box. And then you have a small package of accessories, a quick start guide, which is basically all you need to really get on the road and riding with the Sena Cavalry 2. Inside here, you got some extra visor screws and your USB to USB-C cable. All right, that's a quick unboxing of the Sena Cavalry 2 half motorcycle helmet. Stay tuned for more information on this product. You can follow us for more information at sena.com. Follow us on social media and subscribe to this channel for more information.
Connected.